And I did slip in the kiddie pool, a little blow up shark that they had in the backyard. That didn't help either.
Probably not. So we're a little long on this leg. So once again, here, here, or there.
Doing down again? It's more like right there.
Right there, there. Okay. Leg raise. Keep these legs straight. And this same leg I'd like for you to raise off the table as high as you can. Oh wow, okay, switch legs. Both of them. Any pain with that?
No.
We're doing a side posture today. I'm gonna do your side facing me. Okay, this leg. Here, here, here. Right there, yeah. And bring this up, way forward, just like that, roll you down. And then drop gently. Beautiful. You should have felt that move
I
right in
did.
place. Go ahead and go face down.